Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia titanium espresso machine. Now for this machine we just did a tune-up, replacing the brew bottle you see right here, as well as replacing the O-ring, this one right here, or the brew assembly, deep cleaning everything inside, deep cleaning the shower screen and the brew assembly, descaling the machine, deep cleaning the spouts, which were extremely dirty, and yeah, that's just giving a good general service of the machine. So starting with the steamer, we're gonna test it out. I'm gonna do some kind of foam over here. We're gonna siphon it from here. We're using a milk substitute, so this is not really milk, but you can see a good test of how the water siphons to this part. As you can see, it's starting to make foam. Let me just angle it down a bit better. Siphoning the water from here. Nice steady foam, and that's good enough. And we tested the steamer, which is great. And now we're gonna do a shot of espresso or a little bit of coffee. Perfect. As you can see, steady stream coming out of the machine, excellent color. You can see it right here on the coffee. And there you have it, Gaggia titanium working perfectly fine. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.